Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve brand experience with Airbnb, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the essence of brand experience. Identify the core values of the Airbnb brand. Analyze your target audience to grasp their expectations. Gather feedback from past guests to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses. Create a seamless booking process that prioritizes user experience. Ensure your property listings are visually appealing and informative. Use high-quality images that highlight the unique aspects of your property. Write engaging descriptions that evoke emotion and set clear expectations. Optimize for mobile users, as many guests will book via smartphones. Implement a straightforward communication strategy with guests before, during, and after their stay. Personalize interactions by addressing guests by name and acknowledging special requests. Provide a welcome guide that includes local recommendations and house rules. Ensure your property is clean and well maintained upon guest arrival. Offer affordable and thoughtful amenities that enhance guest comfort. Establish a system for prompt and effective problem resolution. Encourage guests to leave reviews by following up with them after their stay. Respond to reviews both positive and negative in a timely and professional manner. Utilize data analytics to track guest satisfaction and identify trends. Leverage social media to showcase positive guest experiences. Share user-generated content to build authenticity and trust. Continuously refine your services based on guest feedback and market trends. Seek partnerships with local businesses to enhance the guest experience. Stay updated with Airbnb policies and community standards. Implement eco-friendly practices to attract environmentally conscious travelers. Host events or workshops that align with the interests of your target audience. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the brand experience for your Airbnb guests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.